How to use sketch to image on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. So make sure internet is working on your device. So mobile data or Wi-Fi connection is required to use sketch to image feature. First of all, open the gallery application on your device. Select the any photo you want to add sketch. So here we select this photo. Now tap the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom middle on your Samsung device. Now here you can see the sketch to image option. Draw anything you want to generate in the image. So just draw your favorite drawing and you can see how AI is working. So here we draw this image like. Now tap on a generate at the bottom middle to generate the AI image using your sketch. So this is one of my favorite feature. You can draw anything you have and it automatically create AI generate. Now you can see the car generate on my device. You can also use another image swipe generate one more option to generate another image on your device. If you don't like the you create a AI image, so wait until transform your sketch into image using this feature. Now you can see generate this image on my phone. You can also download it. Tap on this download arrow icon. Now image save in a gallery. Go to gallery, go leave. Now in the gallery you can find the photo of sketch to image. So quite easy to enable and use sketch to image on Samsung S25 Ultra on any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.